Optimizing HVAC operation and filtration is essential for protecting indoor air quality in schools. Consistent HVAC operation, even on weekends and holidays, prevents unnecessary shutdowns, supports airflow and humidity control, and is key to long-term equipment longevity. Filters only work when properly fitted, regularly inspected, and replaced on schedule to capture dust, allergens, and particles. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value. It's a rating that shows how effectively an air filter captures particles. Assess and use the highest MERV rating your HVAC system can support to capture more particles while maintaining airflow. Regular maintenance and professional review help ensure efficiency. Consult HVAC professionals to evaluate system capacity for high MERV filters. During higher-risk seasons for dust and viruses, filters need extra attention. Identify local timing, follow manufacturer guidance, increase replacements as dust rises, and keep filters stocked to avoid shortages. Remember, reliable HVAC operation depends on balance and calibration. Ensuring filters are well fitted and replaced regularly is crucial. Use the highest MERV rating safely possible. Maintaining these practices will support healthier learning environments.